Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Pisces, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. And today we'll be picking one card from the message deck. So this will be the message from your person, and one card from the oracle guidance deck. We will leave it here. We will see what it is. So this oracle guidance, it may answer some questions or clear your doubts in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. So if you want a personal reading, you can contact her. So let's start the reading for y'all today with these cards for your general energy. We have Tower in reverse, Three of Pentacles in reverse, and Knight of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing a lot of changes. Things are not happening as you have wished for. You may have some plans for your future, or you're expecting something for your career, maybe some decisions or some offers, opportunities, whatever it is. You are not clear about the people or about your situation. So there are people who are not telling you the truth, not revealing to you things with clarity. So they are here just to trick you in some ways. So you must be careful in your situation, Pisces. So maybe in your work or in your relationship, you must not make any important decisions today. And you are a very dedicated person, but the people who are working with you are not like you. It may be true even for your relationship. So you stand by the choices you make, let it be your work situation or in your personal life. But this person you love, they are not like you. They are not willing to go the distance, have that perseverance, grit and patience to work till the end. So whatever choices they make, they are quite fickle minded, and they are not ready to do anything and everything to have a balanced relationship with you. So their attitude is different from yours. That may be the reason for troubles you are seeing in your relationship today. And you feel lost, stressed, or you may be sad because of these arguments or these stressful circumstances. You want to make this relationship work, but this person is not ready for that, is not willing to do that. So that again may be the reason for stress or anxiety today in your relationship, Pisces. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Justice. So maybe if you have loved this person truly, what you had on them was true love. That love will prevail. That love will make the changes. So your positive thought, your positive intentions will definitely have an impact on this person, and true love will have its way today in your life. So it may be your energy or their energy. Maybe if they have true love on you, that love is going to bring you both together. And if you have this true love on this person, that true love is going to bring you both together. So positive intentions or good intentions are going to work well today in your life, Pisces. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. It's Queen of Pentacles. So in your work circumstances, you will know what will work, and you will know what will be the right choice, because you are a very confident person, skilled and talented, and your skills and talents are going to help you today. You are going to taste success very soon in your work circumstances, and there will be a lot of offers, opportunities coming to you. So that is the energy here with these cards. Let us see what is the message from your person. You say silly and cute things to make me laugh. So you both share a great friendship. That is what this card is saying. So this person you love, they may feel that you are a good friend, funny, kind and loving. So let us see what is the oracle guidance for you today. We have this card. So this card may answer some doubts or confusions. Flexible. So by being flexible today in your situation, maybe in your career or in your relationship, you are going to see beautiful changes. Being flexible does not mean that you have to compromise to be in this relationship. It just means that you need to be open-minded. But at the same time, you should not compromise on whatever is important for you, whatever ideals and belief is important for you. And with this card, it may also mean that there is someone interesting coming towards you. And maybe you are rejecting this person because you feel that they may not be your type. But if you can just change your expectation, you are going to see or you are going to experience a wonderful relationship with this person. Maybe this may be the person you want, but your expectations are blocking this connection, Pisces. And also with this card, it just means that you need to go for a happy compromise with this person. You need not be right all the time. Maybe even this person can be right in your relationship. So you must respect and honor the differences you both have and work together as a team, having that open-mindedness. That is going to help you today in your career and in your relationship. So that is the reading for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Pisces. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.